Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melody and today we have an exciting Zara haul, and we have this little package and we have a big one. To be honest, I haven't really been into like shopping at Zara before because like most of the stuff they used to have were kind of like trendy pieces that I couldn't see myself wearing for a long time, but recently I don't know why I feel like they are bringing really cute stuff, and yeah, I couldn't stop myself. So yeah, here we are with a Zara haul. I'm probably not gonna keep all of the stuff, but I wanted to order them and see how they look like in person before deciding what I like. And yeah, so I also got this cute cardigan that has like this really nice quality fall fur on it. It looks like this, and I bought this one from the store, and well, actually I got the medium size in the store, and then I came home and then I saw it online and I ordered the small. So yeah, I returned the medium, and yeah, this one is the small size. I think it is sold out by now on the site, and I see why, because it's like so cute. And yeah, even though for this one it's not quite practical because I usually wear cardigans under coats, I still couldn't like not get it because it's such a cute pink color and it's so girly. So yeah, this was like something that I usually don't buy, but and yeah, let's get into the haul. So first I'll open the big box. Yeah, this is so hot. I'm getting yeah, suddenly in Toronto it's very warm these days. It used to, we had like one really cold day where it was snowing, but now it's super hot. It's like 18 degrees. Here's how the inside looks like. So the first one is, I haven't seen this one in person yet. Oh my god, yeah, so the first pair of shoes that I got is this nude trainers. Yeah, I love this one because it's a very pretty nude color and the lace matches the shoe itself, which is like very pretty and minimalist kind of looking, and I love that. And it's made of real leather. As you can see, it's like really soft real leather, and I feel like it will be comfortable, but we'll see. Next I got so next we have like a dress This one is like a nude color as well, and it comes up to the knee. And I'm really excited to wear this one with the trainers. I think it will be like a nice summer outfit. And yeah, this is how the color matches with the shoes. And finally we have like, I splurged a lot on this one, but it's made of real leather, so and it was like perfect in every way, like you'll see. So next we have a pair of white boots. These have like the perfect heel height, the perfect round toe, and they're under the knee, which is very like trendy now, as opposed to over the knee boots. And it's like a beautiful creamy off-white color, and as I said, it's made of real leather, so it's like it's gonna last. But I really hope that these will fit me because I have wide calves. So we'll see like if I'm gonna keep this one or not. And this is everything for this box. So moving to the small box. Yeah, this one is exactly the same trainers, but in white. I wasn't sure which color is good. And yeah, so I got both. So this is the white one. Let's compare them side by side. Yeah, so this one is the white one and this is the nude one. I feel like I like the nude ones better already because I don't know, but these are nice too. Let me know which one you guys like more, so I know which one to keep. But yeah, this one is very hard to find, but like a white pair of shoes is something I can find later, so I feel like this one is really cute. I'm definitely gonna keep this one. Yeah, so that was it for the unboxing part. Now let's try them on and see how they look like. So here's the first dress. There's only one dress actually, yeah. So it's like a really nice nude color. It almost like matches my skin color, so it looks like very like minimalist looking. And yeah, but the only thing was that this is the small size, and this has like kind of no stretch to it, even though you would predict that this kind of dress is supposed to be more stretchy. So I might get the medium instead, just to be more comfortable. But yeah, this is how it looks like. I love how it comes up to like my knees. It's kind of longer, so it looks better, especially with like the nude color. You don't want to have like a short dress because it's just too much. And yeah, and here are like the shoes. They match perfectly. So yeah, I like this one. I like how it matches with the shoes. It's like a simple and complete outfit for me. But yeah, I just might exchange for like a medium. And yeah, the shoes are so soft and they're definitely a great buy because, as I said, they're like made of real leather, so they're gonna last you a long time. And it's like a nude color and it will pretty much go with everything. I already have a white color sneaker, so that's why I'm probably gonna keep this one. But if you don't have that, I suggest like getting the white one because it's like a staple kind of shoe. And yeah, so yeah, here it is if you want to take a closer look. Yeah, it's extremely soft and yeah, the inside looks like this. Yeah. And so yeah, the white one again is exactly the same, but I feel like the beige one is like more, it's more unique because of how it's difficult to have like a matching lace for the shoe. So, but this one is very basic and essential too, and it's made of real leather. So, and finally we have to try these. They're so beautiful, but yeah, if you have like small calves, I highly recommend it because they will fit you for sure. Okay, so I'm glad these ones, they don't have like the connecty thing, so I can wear them separately. They also have like this part for more stretch. So yeah, they actually fit, which is amazing. So I'll try the other one. No. Yeah, so amazingly they fit my right leg, but they don't fit my left one because my left one is fatter than my right one. Oh, which is very sad. So I'm gonna return this one, but on the positive side, I'm gonna be spending less money on Zara. So yeah, I'm so sad that it doesn't fit my left leg, but it would be so cute and so like 60s style. I'm not sure, like 70s or 60s, but like it was perfect in every way. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If you wanted to get something from Zara, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and comment below if you want what was your favorite piece from this haul, and see you soon. Bye.